Okay, so hi. This is how you make a Lego Hunter from Left 4 Dead. So first you need some blue pants like this. You don't need the printing there, but you just need some blue pants. Next you need this, a blue body, so matches this. Then you need some yellow hands. Then a black head. And then a blue hood. So that's how you make a Lego Hunter. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Anyways, bye.